Hello to my viewers. My math presentation today is about exponential equations. This maths is intended to the students who are taking up college algebra and engineering students. So I have here number 1, 9 raised to the x plus 3 over 3 raised to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 81. I will teach you how to solve the simplest way of solving this exponential equation. So first thing to do, I will make this one as 3. Same with my denominator. So the base must be 3. So this will be 3 raised to the second power times the existing exponent, which is x plus 3. Then over 3x minus 1 is equal to, same with this one, numerator and denominator, make this one as base 3 raised to the fourth power. Because 3 raised to the fourth power is 81, because you have to multiply itself 4 times. Okay, so apply laws of exponents. So this will be 3, 2x, no, 2 brackets x plus 3. Then this will be minus circle brackets x minus 1 is equal to 3 to the fourth power. So simplify, this will be 3, 2x, then this will be plus 6, then minus x, then plus 1 is equal to 3 to the fourth power. So I have 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 6 minus x plus 1 is equals to 3 raised to the fourth power. So the same base, we cross out. So this will be 2x combined minus x, 6 plus 1 is 7, is equal to 4. So 2x minus x is x. Then this will be plus 7 is equals to 4. So x, find the value of x. So positive 7 will be transposed to the right. This will be 4 minus 7. So x therefore x is negative 3. So since I have now the x value is negative 3, so I can substitute now. To check this, substitute x equals negative 3. So 9 negative 3 plus 3 over 3 raised to 3 minus 1 is equals to 81. Okay? Need to erase this one. So this will be 9 raised to the 0 power. Then this will be, wait, this is negative 3. Sorry, I forgot to write negative 3. So this will be 3 raised to the negative 3, negative 1. This is negative 4 is equal to 81. So take note, any number or any variable raised to 0 that will be equal to 1. So 9 raised to the 0 power is 1. Okay, this will be 3 raised to the negative 4 is equals to 81. So apply laws of exponents. So this will be 1 times 3 to the positive 4 exponent is equals to 81. So this will be 1 times 81 is equals to 81. So 81 is equals to 81. So therefore, my x value, which is negative 3, is absolutely correct. And that's all.